This video I will show you 5 very simple tips how you can speed your very slow Samsung Galaxy A35 and A55 phone. So if it has started to become kind of sluggish and apps start to open more slowly and it's not as responsive as it used to be, we can do some things to bring it back to the peak performance. So the first things, you might probably know this, but basically the more apps you have in the background open, the more it will lag basically if you are reaching near your performance limit of the phone. So what we can do is simply swipe and close any apps we don't really need. Then the next big thing we can actually do is we can simply restart our phone, and this fixes a lot of problems most of the time, especially if you haven't restarted your phone in a long time. And it's actually advisable to restart your phone at least once per week, because this pretty much clears any background stuff running in it that might have accumulated over a long time and simply needs cleaning. Okay, next thing, we can also go to our settings and click on device care here. Okay, click on that and make sure you check how much memory you have available on this phone. If you got maybe less than 1 GB of memory available, you should really try to inspect and see and try to basically find out what is actually using this memory on this phone. And if it's nearing your limit, basically it will become much slower. Also in the same menu we can see which apps actually uses the most memory, and we can simply click clean now and will automatically basically purge a lot of stuff and clean up a lot of memory on your phone. So sometimes that's basically quite useful as well. Also in the same menu, when we click this auto optimization, we can schedule this auto restart feature. Also, it will automatically clean your memory from time to time as well, but I really suggest to enable this auto restart, and we can schedule it basically to restart maybe once every few days at night. So this actually brings a lot of performance, just basic restarting. Then another common thing is you should check your available storage in the same device care. See if it's actually you still have got plenty of storage, because if you are nearing your limit, for example, maybe you got only 1 GB of available storage, your phone will completely almost die basically, because it won't be able to run a lot of processes basically, and it will become so incredibly slow and sluggish, and yeah, it will be complete nightmare. So if you got like less than 5 GB of storage, your performance of the phone will basically suffer. So check that. Then we can also go in this thing, clear our trash, and see which large files we can maybe simply delete from this phone. And those are basic things you can do that fixes most of the problems really. Also, we can also go through our apps and see if there are a bunch of apps installed that we actually don't need. So we can simply uninstall some that we don't really use that often. And that will again keep up the phone fresh, and it won't be running any of that junk in background and taking up the resources. So then lastly, the big thing, if it's still sluggish and you can't figure out what's going on, it also might be a failing battery on your phone. So yeah, if your phone also doesn't last very good in battery life, that also might affect this thing. And one more thing, what we can do is probably just a factory reset on the whole phone, and that really brings the most performance gains really, and it will return it to the factory state. So we can click on the general management, click on reset, click on factory data reset, and make sure you back up all your stuff that you need and all your everything, and after that you can click reset. Obviously it will delete everything from your phone, all your pictures, videos and stuff like that, so make sure you transfer out everything you need. So yeah, I think this covers all on how to speed up your A35 as well as A55. If these tips are helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!